So we're gonna need 400 grams of water, 2 full tablespoons of molasses, and you mix it in a little bit to dissolve it a little. Your water needs to be warm water, not more than 110 degrees. There we go. If your water is too hot, let it cool before you add your yeast so you don't kill your yeast. 2 teaspoons of yeast. We're going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil, mix it up a bit to loosen it. Now today I'm going to be using 3 types of flour: all-purpose, bread flour, and wheat flour. Okay, so we want 700 grams of flour. The ratio doesn't really matter. You just want it up to 700 grams. About 10 grams of salt. Time to mix it up. The ratio of your flour depends on you. If you use more whole wheat flour or whole grain flour, just remember you might need some more water. I'm mixing it all up while I'm making a mess. All right, I am going to go ahead and get all in with my hands. As usual, get your water. And we're gonna go mix this up. Much better. I am going to need a little bit more water. Put a tiny bit of more water in here, a tiny bit at a time. Okay. And this is what I mean by wheat flour or whole grain flour. Soaks up a lot of water. Just be prepared. Okay, this is perfect. See how there's flour pockets in here? You got to keep mixing till all of this is incorporated. Now we're going to let it sit for an hour and a half. Cover it up. Come back in an hour and a half. Okay, we are back. Oh, look at that. Ha! It is full. Put your hands in some water and punch it down. Work it around. See how beautiful the dough is? That's why I like no-knead breads. Very minimum energy. We're going to flip the dough right here. I'm going to turn it over and we're going to shape it. I took a little bit out for the top. Just spread it out. Here's our baking pan lined with parchment paper. Okay, now I'm going to flip this over here. Flip that over onto it. Then we are going to pinch, pinch, pinch. Flip it down. I'm going to try and shape it real good. There we go. Turn your oven on to 375 while your bread is rising. Cover it up. It is time for the oven. 375 for 30 to 40 minutes. But keep an eye on it. And look at that. Look at that beauty. Soon as it comes out of the oven, I put some honey on top and brush it through. Whilst it's very, very hot, so the honey soaks in a little bit. So it's a nice combination of the molasses and the honey on top. Delicious. And there you have it. It's cooled off now. Time to see what's inside. Oh, wow. Look at that. Nice and beautiful. All right, until next time. Bon appetit.